What are you doing?
Be careful!
I can do that. Hold on, more.
Okay.
I got you.
Anyone else? I don't know when to stop. Alright guys, pictures.
Bryce in his natural habitat.
I call next tree, that looks good.
See if I can keep it upside down. Back up.
This tree is broken.
I am Mickey Mouse. Nature! Nature bonding! Bonding of nature.
Majestic pond.
It's a pond.
Yes.
Your input on nature.
My input on nature? Oh my goodness, I'm all about nature. Nature is natural, and so we should all enjoy nature. Therefore, my class is here enjoying nature. Looking out over the It's very important for our hydration. Hydration is important for biochemical reactions to take place properly. Therefore, trees live, Brett lives, the worms that he's digging for live.
There are no worms.
There are worms. Did you know if we removed all the solid parts of nature, we would have nothing but a silhouette of worms making the shape of Earth? It's a true story. I heard it. I have a master's degree. I know these things. And so therefore, we are here as a biology group to take in nature, and we are here to capture. We are in hunt for the Loch Ness Monster.
Oh my god.
We're looking for Nessie right here.
Oh my god.
Foreign land.
Did you get find him?
I'm thinking we're gonna find him. We are preparing mentally for a battle.
I have a question for you.
The big Loch Ness Monster.
I have a question for you. Were you just jealous that the arch people went to go Millbrook?
No, you know what happened?
Because
50% of my class is doing artistic stuff right now, and the other 50% of my class, one of them is hiding behind a tree.
Hello.
We are doing natural stuff in a biological sense. We are studying ecology, and we're doing comparative anatomy. We thought we would capture the dreaded Loch Ness Monster and compare it to the squids that we dissected, to the starfish, the clams, the rats we're going to dissect, the pigs, and what else? Dogfish sharks we're about to encounter. Other than that, we wish you all a naturally happy day.
well, that's pretty goddamn butt spanking good.
I'm just sitting here enjoying it.
That was good.
Over here.
Okay. Oh yeah?
I'm going to skip this pine cone. Nope, wrong one. Thank God I have another one. I have another one.
Great job.
Praise me. You know what this is? Miss Stacy, I found a bait.
That's got a hook on it.
Yeah.
It's a hook.
It has no hook on it. Oh yeah, it has a hook on it. It's a hook. I'm gonna keep it. Just kidding.
Maybe ask Mr. Jackson if they want it.
Mr. J.
Mr. Jackson.
Okay, let's walk back this way, guys.
Or you go ran in and go girl, look at me. All right, we got this. Hello, best friend. Oh, okay.
Do it! Just do it! Do it! Just do it! Do it! Just do it!
John Matt.
Oh my God, look at that bird. Look at it go. Yeah! We're on a mission to give Mr. Jackson something. Do you see him over there? Look at him. He is fishing.
Should be like Dora.
Dun dun dun. Mr. Jackson over there. He's fishing.
Oh, it's stalking.
No, it's not.
Look, a buttercup.
What are you doing, Skylar?
Absolutely nothing, Paul.
I'm zooming in on the camera. Say hello to the camera, Angel.
Hello, camera.
I'm now using this camera with one hand against all odds. Commandeer the camera
Over there.
once more.
Mark, get back out there and take down the floor.